Assalamu alaikum. Today we will see the structures which are pierced by the needle to reach the pleural cavity. So I have draw a diagram here. First of all we will label it and then we will see the needle which will passing through these structures. Okay. So this is the outside and these will be at the end lungs. Okay. So outside will be first of all will be skin. Then this will be superficial fascia. Then next to superficial fascia this will be the deep fascia. Okay. This will be deep fascia. Then next to deep fascia these which are in the red color will be all the muscles. So this will be serratus anterior, serratus anterior. Then this will be external intercostal muscle. Next to external this muscle. This will be internal intercostal muscle. And then this will be the innermost intercostal muscle. Innermost intercostal muscle. These will be the ribs. Then this which is in the blue color, this will be the parietal pleura. Now we have reached the pleural sac. So this is the outer layer called the parietal pleura. This will be, which is in light green color, will be pleural cavity. And the last one will be this will be visceral pleura. And then these will be the lungs. And this which is in the blue color will be vein, red will be artery, and yellow will be nerve. Same sequence is a vein, artery, nerve. So in use order, remember this mnemonic is called VAN. In vein, artery, nerve. This is the sequence. Okay. So now we will see the structures which will be pierced by the needle to reach this pleural cavity. So we will draw a needle here. We have to reach in the pleural cavity. Okay, I mean at this point. So this will be the needle. Okay. So as we said, the structure which are pierced by the needle to reach in this pleural cavity are this is the skin, then superficial fascia, the deep fascia, the serratus anterior muscle, the external intercostal, internal intercostal, innermost intercostal, and the parietal pleura, and then it will reach the pleural cavity. So now there are several questions which are asked in exam. I will show some examples. The first will be the same: which structures are pierced? Structures are pierced. We can easily tell by this diagram. The second question is where the needle is injected. Where needle is injected. So now see, it is injected superior to the rib and inferior part of intercostal space. This is the intercostal space. Okay, this part is intercostal space. So it is injected in to the inferior part of intercostal space and the superior border of rib. Okay, so we will answer. Then the third question is why it is injected in this place. It is injected at that place. So our answer will be same. In order to prevent the injury to the intercostal nerve, intercostal vessels. Okay, mean if we inject it inferior to the part of the rib, it may injure these structures. Okay, the vein, the artery, and the nerve. Okay, so the fourth question may be that which structures are damaged. So these will be intercostal nerve and intercostal vessels.